What do you call a magic dog? A labracadabrador.
Hey Jax, what's a dog's favorite form of transportation? A wagon.
Alright, Rose. I have a joke for you, okay? Why didn't the toilet paper cross the road? Because it got stuck in the crack.
Why do dogs typically need shade? Because they don't want to be a hot dog.
Biggie, what do you call a dog that is playing outside in the winter? A chili dog.
Booger, what do you call a cow with no legs? Booger, it's ground beef.
Why was 6 afraid of 7? Why was 6 afraid of 7? 'Cause 7, 8, 9.
Draco, what do you call a... Hey, Draco, hey. What do you call a dog that's playing outside in the winter? A chili dog.
I have a joke for you. What do you call a magic dog? A labracadabrador. I'm gonna tell you a joke, okay? Why'd the toilet paper cross the road? Because it got stuck in the crack.
Zayna, what's a cat's favorite color? Purple. It's purple.
Winston, what do you call an alligator in a crime scene? An investigator.
Why couldn't the toilet paper make it across the street? No guesses? Okay, I'll tell you. Because it got stuck in a crack. A crack. Why couldn't the toilet paper make it across the street? No guesses? Okay, I'll tell you. Because it got stuck in a crack. A crack.
Kira, what's a cat's favorite color? Kira, what's a cat's favorite color? Purple.